What's good, MOGANG, and welcome back to a video on my channel.
Cause I'm too humble for this shit, I'm crazy. Somehow I always switch up on you, but you never see the shit you say you never do. So tell me what's up, are you in or are you out? Are you here to stay or are you falling back out?
What's good, MOGANG, and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today's video is going to be about this slick back bun. I've been waiting to do this video for a long time. A lot of people have been requesting it. Y'all like my shirt? It's see-through, so you might be able to see my bra strap, but don't mind that. A lot of people have been asking about this video, so I'm finally here to get this video out to you guys. I really hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up when you're done watching it. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into this video, y'all.
Genius art. Genius art. Genius art.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing my nappy ass hair for you guys so you can see how I do my hair. Just when you think you're done, you got something else you gotta do. I know a lot of people do not use this stuff in their hair, but I mean, a lot of things do not hold my hair down. So I have to find things that hold my hair, because my hair is totally different from the next person. So, yeet. We in there like booty hair. In there like booty hair. This is, it's not really a bun, this is like a puff, because I like my hair to look big, like in the back of my head. My head's already hella big, so I like for my hair to look even bigger behind my head, because it just look cute that way. And for a lot of questions a lot of people have, no, I do not put my dread in my ponytail. My shit's really sensitive. Like, I didn't think dreads were like sensitive, but mine, I only have one, and it's on the back of my neck, and it's like hella sensitive. Even when people touch it, I can feel when people touch it, and I can feel like when it blows in the wind. I can feel all that. So it's hella sensitive, and no, I don't put it up there, because when it pulls, it hurts really, really bad. So I just try to refrain from being in pain with my hair. So, but I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. I enjoyed doing my hair for you guys. I don't know what the hell keep falling off my face. Like, I don't know what that is. But anyways, you guys rate this video, give this video a fat ass thumbs up. Tell your friends, tell your dad, tell your mom, tell your cousins, tell your entire family about this video, and let's try to get this video to at least 20 likes. And that's it, like just 20 likes, like that's it. Just hit the thumbs up. You ain't gotta watch the video, just hit the thumbs up, and well, watch the video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and tuning in to my channel. See ya.